Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Blue Orange is probably one of the most versatile and visually appealing fruit options available, offering a unique tangy flavor profile that sets it apart from its more common orange counterparts, making it a delightful addition to any culinary creation or a refreshing snack on its own, and its vibrant color is sure to brighten up any dish or beverage. Number 5. Blue Orange Goblet Gobblers Strategy Game. This engaging children's game helps kids develop memory, strategy, and focus. It enhances critical thinking and strengthens social skills, all without needing to read. It's a fun 3D twist on the classic tic-tac-toe. Line up 3 of your pieces to win, but watch out, bigger pieces can cover smaller ones. This is the perfect beginner's abstract strategy game. It helps develop critical thinking, observation, and memory skills, along with turn-taking and fine motor skills. The game includes a grid, 12 pieces, and simple, kid-friendly instructions. The plastic pieces are also easy to clean. It's part of an award-winning classic game collection. This makes a great addition to your learning toys and games collection. Playing this game helps develop critical thinking, observation, and memory skills. It also strengthens social skills and hand-eye coordination. What we like. This game offers a fresh take on a classic. Its 3D gameplay adds a new layer of strategy and memory challenge. If you are looking for a game that is quick to learn but offers surprising depth, this is a fantastic choice for family game nights or a fun challenge for adults. What people say. The Blue Orange is a fantastic game for families, offering a great balance of strategy and luck. Its colorful design and engaging gameplay make it a hit with both kids and adults. The game is easy to learn, making it accessible for players of all ages and skill levels. Number 4. Battle Sheep Abstract Strategy Board Game. Get ready for Battle Sheep, a fun and engaging abstract strategy board game. It's perfect for families and adults looking for a unique tabletop experience. This game is designed for 2 to 4 players, recommended for ages 7 and up. Whether you're playing with kids or fellow adults, the strategy remains captivating. Experience a new game board every time you play. Its modular design and hexagon grid mechanics ensure endless replayability and a dynamic playing field. The objective is simple: occupy the most spaces on the board by strategically moving your sheep. Leave your opponents with no room to maneuver. Featuring hilarious sheep illustrations and high-quality Eureka tokens and cardboard pieces, this game boasts an amazing table presence. Battle Sheep is an ideal gift for young minds aged 7 and up, introducing them to abstract thinking. It's also a fantastic present for any board game enthusiast. What we like. This game introduces a unique modular board that changes with every play. The area enclosure mechanic provides a fresh strategic challenge. If you enjoy games with high replayability and a lighthearted theme, this is a great option for introducing abstract strategy to younger players or for a quick, engaging game for adults. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It's easy to use and understand. The design is sleek and modern. Number 3. Luseta Color Brightening Blue Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Tired of brassy tones ruining your hair color? Discover the Luseta Color Brightening Blue Shampoo and Conditioner Set, designed specifically for brunettes and dark blondes. This powerful duo works to neutralize orange and copper tones, restoring vibrancy to your color-treated hair. Say goodbye to brassiness and hello to beautifully toned locks. Formulated without sulfates, our shampoo and conditioner gently cleanse and nourish your hair. Experience effective tone correction without stripping essential moisture. Specially crafted for those with brunette or dark blonde hair, this set ensures your color stays true and bright. Achieve salon-quality results at home. Reawaken the richness of your hair color. This set not only corrects tones but also enhances shine, leaving your hair looking healthier and more radiant. Each bottle contains 16.9 ounces, providing ample product for long-lasting color maintenance. Enjoy vibrant, brass-free hair for longer. What we like. This set is designed to combat unwanted brassy tones in darker hair colors. Its color-neutralizing formula helps maintain vibrant, cool shades. If you have brunette or dark blonde color-treated hair and are struggling with orange or copper tones, this shampoo and conditioner set will help you achieve and maintain your desired look. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It's easy to assemble and use. The design is sleek and modern. Number 2. Blue-Orange Pengoloo Wood Tabletop Strategy Game. This engaging game is designed to boost memory and teach young children about colors. It also helps strengthen their social skills, making learning fun and interactive. Playing is simple. Roll the dice and find the matching colored eggs. Collect 6 penguins to win this exciting challenge. No reading is required, making it accessible for everyone. It's an ideal first board game for children, offering easy-to-follow instructions for both kids and parents. It reinforces color learning and matching skills. This game helps develop strategic thinking, turn-taking, and hand-eye coordination. It also enhances fine motor skills through its fun and fast gameplay. The set includes 12 fun penguins, 12 colorful eggs, 4 iceberg boards, and 2 colored dice. It comes with simple, kid-friendly instructions for immediate play. This is part of a collection of award-winning wooden preschool games. It's a great addition to any learning toy collection for kindergarten or homeschool. What we like. This game is an excellent introduction to memory and color matching for young children. The tactile wooden pieces enhance the learning experience. If you're searching for a first board game that is engaging, educational, and promotes fine motor skills, this is an ideal pick for preschoolers and early elementary ages. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It has a unique and attractive design that stands out. The functionality is excellent, performing as advertised. Number 1. Blue-Orange Dr. Eureka Speed Logic Puzzle Game. Welcome to the lab where you'll race against time. This game challenges you to quickly move colorful molecules between tubes to create specific formulas. It's a fun way to boost your thinking and coordination skills. Each player gets test tubes filled with colored balls. Your goal is to arrange the balls to match the challenge card. Remember, you can only move them by rolling them, not by touching them directly. Be the first to complete the challenge and correctly arrange your molecules. Shout Eureka to win the round. It's a test of speed and logic. This game is perfect for solo play, kids, teens, and families. It's a fantastic educational tool for classrooms and a great party game for any occasion. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to start playing: test tubes, colorful balls, and challenge cards. It's a complete package for hours of fun. Dr. Eureka is a proud member of Blue-Orange's award-winning STEM collection. Discover more exciting logic and strategy games from our brand. What we like. This game offers a fast-paced challenge that tests your logic and dexterity. The objective is to quickly replicate molecular formulas. If you enjoy quick thinking, hand-eye coordination challenges, and a fun scientific theme, this game is perfect for solo play, family game nights, or as an engaging activity for kids and adults who love puzzles. What people say. The game is easy to learn and play for all ages. The game has a beautiful design and high-quality components. It's a great game for family game nights and provides hours of fun. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.